necessary, but today I don't know understand what is this. Every shop is closed. Why? My morning hour now look this everything is okay, but tourist point. This is Portuguese people and Portuguese shop. Why are you stop? I don't understand. This is missing.
It's necessary,
Necessary, Vagina. This is
Necessary.
necessary. Okay, no disturb me. Now my cafe.
What is this, Mama?
This one is cafe. Morning hour my now this breakfast is finished. Now some my physical fitness. Okay, this one cafe.
Oh,
Pingado. Cafe
Pingado, see.
You know understand?
I don't know understand.
Why?
It's necessary.
This is no good, Bagina.
Why you are throw it on the road?
Oh, this is before teaching no good. Now, Portugal's this natural country and what is this? My physical body is no good today. Why? Oh my God! Why are you every day this rain? Every day rain. Okay, sorry. This is too much work. Rain come, my too much work. Please, my God, help you. Help. Every day for you help. Thank you, my God. Thank
Help you.
Help you. Okay, today this finish, Bagina. Assalamu alaikum.